We're back in the Maker Faire. My name is Isadora and
John.
John has made this really cool rocket.
Yeah, I have this is a rocket we made in class we have at school where we basically just build rockets. It's powered by a motor called a K240. It's a hybrid engine, which means that it uses solid fuel but liquid oxidizer, which is what causes the fuel to burn.
That's cool.
And then up in here, we stored a 360 camera that we filmed VR video with. You can actually find the video on YouTube too. Yeah, you showed them? All right. So what we did was we strung a battery in here. This is the battery. Because the rocket was sitting on the launch rail for about 2 hours, and we didn't want the battery to die. So we plugged it in and kept it going. And then when the rocket launched, the stages separated so that when it got to the highest altitude, which is called apogee, the nose cone came off. And the first parachute, there are 2 parachutes, and the first one came off. It's called the drogue. And what it does is it slows down the rocket enough that the main chute can deploy without tearing the rocket in half. And so then at that point, the main chute deploys about 700 feet off the ground and slows the rocket down to where it gently touches down.
That's cool. What is this?
In here?
Yeah.
That's styrofoam. It's just styrofoam we used as a spacer to keep everything snug in place. And then these are little Hot Wheel cars we put in there for fun.
Yeah. How long did it take to make this?
It took 4 months.
Oh, that's long.
Yeah, this is the first rocket our class has built. This year we're actually making a rocket that's going to go to the edge of space.
That's cool. About how high would it be?
For this year or this one?
The next one.
The next one's going to go 100,000 feet.
Oh, that's really high.
And we launch it out in the middle of nowhere where it can't hurt anyone. This one went about half a mile.
What was the hardest part of making it?
The hardest part was actually because the camera was really expensive and took up a big chunk of our budget. So we had to buy an engine that wasn't powerful enough to lift our original plan of a rocket to the height we needed to get. And so we had to work around it and take off weight wherever we could to make sure the engine could get it to the right altitude.
Oh, must have been kind of hard to make such a big rocket.
It took a team of 20 kids.
Is this like is your thing like a club or?
So the rocket is part of a class.
Oh.
We have a class at our school where we literally just build rockets.
So you've been here since this morning?
Yeah, I've been wandering around, but yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. What do you think is cool around? Like any recommendations?
Have you seen the metal trailer all the way at the end with the other rockets? Da Vinci Maker Labs?
Oh, the Da Vinci, we're gonna go there.
Yeah, you saw that one? Yeah, they help us build these.
Oh, so they like cooperate with you guys too?
Yes.
That's cool. So thank you.
All right.
Thank you for talking with us.